On Thursday, Donald Trump's lawyers, New York Chief Public Prosecutor's trial in the case of a $250 million civilian. Former president's accountant I do not know or I do not remember tore. The accounting company Mazars USA partner Donald Bender was under tense cross-examination by Trump's lawyers when they called on memory loss in the last hours of witness stand. Trump's lawyer Jesus Suarez told Bender at the Manhattan Supreme Court on Thursday morning, "In the last 3 days, you testified more than 89 times to I don't know or I don't remember." Bender, Suarez and another Trump lawyer pulled him with questions and claimed that he had escaped from his investigations. Other Trump lawyer Clifford Robert then repeated a question posed by Suarez and said, "In the last few days, you said I don't remember or I don't remember. Orum I believe this is true." Bender confessed. From time, Bender tried to neutralize obvious tension and deflect the lawyer's questions by breaking jokes. Former accountant Donald Bender was grilled for a 90 times memory loss by the former president's lawyers. On Wednesday, Justice Arthur Engoron, who supervised the hearing, lost his coolness with Trump's team, saying that lawyers unnecessarily raised Bender's statement. Trump's lawyer Alina Habba said on Wednesday, "We don't have an answer from him. There is no memory when we sit here," said. After returning to Trump's visible delay tactics, Engoron hit his hand on the bench. "This is ridiculous." And he told the lawyers to stop wasting time. When Bender's testimony finally hugged on Thursday, a defendant Jeffrey McConney took a stand in the case of former Trump org auditor and New York Chief Public Prosecutor Letitia James. Bender at the witness stand for 3 days in the case of $250 million against Trump. McConney, who retired from real estate company in February with the promise of a $500,000 severance pay package, said that Trump has discussed Trump organ values for annual financial status statements prepared by Mazarlar. James claims that Trump has lied to these statements for 10 years, exaggerated billions of their assets for their arrogance, climbing the Forbes billionaire list and saving loans insurance. Trump and their sons Eric and Donald Trump Jr., the defendants in the case, all claim that they have nothing to do with preparing these statements. McConney, however, said 77-year-old Trump's last promise about asset values that are statements. McConney and former Trump org finance director Alan Weisselberg would sign Weisselberg's review report for accountants. However, in one of these reports from 2014, McConney admitted that he had written it manually to get DJT to get a final review. Bender's statement finally ended on Thursday noon. "Did you believe that Trump will get the final approval of every financial picture you are responsible for being prepared?" Amer asks a lawyer in AG's office. "Yes." McConney,